Hey guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off email notifications on your Rockstar Game account. So if you're getting a lot of emails, promotions, all these different kind of emails going into your inbox, filling it up, and you don't want these, let's say they're unnecessary for you, you can stop receiving these emails, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of them. Now, of course, you want to go into your email and delete those emails normally. So if you have a Gmail account, you can just simply log into your Gmail and you can easily delete all of those emails. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to go to your Rockstar Game account, click your profile in the upper right, click on account, go to settings. Once you're inside the settings, click on email on the top here, scroll down, and of course, you will find email notification preferences. It says receive friend request. You can go ahead and keep that on. If you want to receive crew invite, you can choose if you want to receive this or not. So you'll get those emails as well. And of course, receive direct messages and so forth. You can choose whether or not to have these on or off. It's really up to you, right? Now, the next thing is that you have a Rockstar mailing list. You want to ensure that you don't have these if you don't check this box right here. And so if you have it basically set to subscribe, you'll receive those emails. And so what you want to do is if you are receiving emails from that, you want to find one of those emails. I'm going to go into my inbox right here again and show you. Once you find those emails, you can go ahead and you can open up those emails. I'm going to choose, for example, the StockX email right here. And so what you normally find in the emails is either at the bottom, you will find the option to unsubscribe. You normally find it right here. And as you can see in this case, it says unsubscribe, and I can easily go ahead and unsubscribe from this email. You will be able to do the same in your case, especially if you're receiving those emails that you don't want. Another way you can easily identify that is that when you open up those emails, you will find something like, let me see if I can find this email. It will show at the top where it will show unsubscribe. And so from those emails as well, you can click the unsubscribe from the top, or you go scroll down to the bottom and you will find it somewhere in the email bottom that says unsubscribe. So these are the two ways you can find it. So once you find those emails in your mailbox, go ahead and choose unsubscribe. And so you will not be able to receive them anymore. So your inbox will not be cluttered. And that's it.